Reema Kapani, and here I am with Dr. Nana.
Yes, Aduna the second.
Both of us are really excited for the DDLF Forum, the David Douglas Leadership Forum, organizing the World Leaders Awards Gala 2025 in the month of August. And we both are going to be attending, receiving an award. I also have the honor and privilege to perform there with the locals, a beautiful dance performance that promotes diversity, bridges cultures, and unity and healing. So Reema Kapani, CEO of Echo Dreams Production, that's the vision of Echo Dreams Production. We make meaningful cinema, inspirational music videos, and promote love, peace, healing, and unity through the arts. And what an honor and pleasure today to meet Dr. Nana, whose vision and mission resonates with Echo Dreams. We are in the creative field, and he is in the field of medicine. So let me have Dr. Nana say a few words.
Thank you very much, Reema. Reema, I just want to find out what exactly is the award you're receiving again, and congratulations.
Thank you so much. The award that I'm receiving is for the humanitarian services, for the creative leadership in the world of cinema, in the world of music videos. I'm also a dancer, I'm an anchor, I'm a model, I also train models. So my creative field work, where through the transformative power of arts, I am promoting love, healing, peace, and unity.
What a mouthful. And thank you very much. My name is Aduna the second. Also Dr. Mfodwo. I'm a psychiatrist by training, a traditional leader in Ghana, and CEO of Ohene Limited, and incidentally also the spokesperson of the Ghana National Cocoa Farmers Association.
Wow.
And cacao is a very healing medicinal product, those put in chocolate. So I have just followed my passion of bringing out the health benefits in cacao, and so that's actually why one of the missions why I'm here. I've also been involved in a documentary with cocoa that is going global. So thank you very much for this opportunity to be also part of the DDLF Forum, and we look forward to an exciting time in Accra.
Yes, we're going to be there for 2 weeks, and guess what? What he just said, the healing properties of cacao. I was shocked to hear that the forever young looking, the forever 21 looking Dr. Nana, how old is he? So we're going to get that little cocoa serum, and we all are going to look youthful. So really looking forward to the 2025 World Leaders Awards Gala in Accra, Ghana, in the month of end of July, August, and we all are going to be a part of it, along with world leaders traveling far and wide. So Dr. Nana has promised me to give me one of those. He'll have a package ready for me to take so that I can also look forever young. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Looking forward to our World Leaders Awards Gala, organized by one and only DDLF Forum. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and see you in Accra.